Assalamualaikum and good day to the hiring manager EAN level industry. My name is Muni Izzati binti Muhammad Sadi and I am a chemical engineering graduate from University Technology Mara, Shah Alam. I am highly thrilled to submit this pre-recorded screening interview for the position production engineering. Today I'll be answering the 4 key questions regarding to my personal background and suitability for this role. Okay, let's begin with the first question. To answer the first question, I would say my professional strength is my high level of discipline and my responsibility. This trait was deeply instilled in me through my intensive training as an active member in Reserve Officer Training Unit Navy while I pursuing my degree, and as a commissioned lieutenant medical secretary at UiTM while I'm pursuing my diploma. In a production environment, this discipline translates into an absolute reliability, whether it means enforcing strict OSHA standard on the factory floor or ensuring daily production schedule are strictly met. So on the other hand, weaknesses I have identified is that I can't be overly self-critical when a project doesn't go perfectly according to the plan. Because I am highly result-oriented, I used to dwell too long on minor deviation during my academic lab or internship project. So to improve professionally, I have actively trained myself to adopt a proactive, continuous improvement mindset. Instead of stressing over an issue, I immediately pivot to troubleshooting and finding a real-time solution, just like I did during my internship at RCAM. For next question, when facing tight deadlines and intense pressure, my approach is built on structured leadership, open communication, and absolute team alignment. Pressure is inevitable in manufacturing, but I believe it can be managed through systematic execution. For example, during my time as an production engineering assistant at Global Manufacturing, I was tasked with supervising a line of 15 to meet demanding daily output targets. Whenever we face tight deadlines or unexpected measures during downtime, I didn't panic. Instead, I utilized our daily toolbox meeting to clearly brief the staff on optimized goals, delegate tasks based on individual strengths, and reinforce safety protocols. Because of my experience coordinating across diverse teams, including maintenance and operation, I know how to keep a team calm, focused, and cooperative under pressure. I ensure that everyone knows exactly what they need to do when that we can hit our target efficiency without compromising our quality or safety. Okay, let me moving on to the job related question. In terms of technical skill, I am highly comfortable with real-time production, data monitoring, and process optimization. During my stint at Global Manufacturing, I monitored real-time production data to flag quality deviation, which successfully led to a 10% reduction in material wastage. This aligned directly with EAN level's requirement for continuous improvement possibility of discussing